Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Android phone as a webcam for Zoom. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So heads up, before we start, make sure your PC and Android phone is connected to the same network. Make sure Bluetooth on both devices are enabled and you have Arian Webcam app on your both devices. Then it will work effectively. So firstly, open your Zoom, then make sure you are logged into your account. Then, make sure you have Arian Webcam on your PC. You can access the link to Arian Webcam in the description below, and just install it to your PC. Now, open Arian Webcam on your PC. Now, let's go to your Android phone. Make sure you have Arian Webcam app on your device. You can install this on Google Play Store. Now, tap on it to open it. Tap on Continue. Allow permission to access the camera and other related settings. Then, return to your PC. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Cameras, find Arian to enable it. Now, you can see it's working. Let's return to the Zoom. Now go to the Profile, then click on the Settings. Go to Video section. On the Camera drop-down menu, choose Arian Webcam. Then you can see a preview of your Android camera. And now, you can start your own meeting. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.